juncture in our history. On the one hand, is with our growing population and increasing economic activity, it is crucial for us to secure our energy supply. Right. On the other hand, there is this imperative to transition toward cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, hence the moratorium on new coal power plants. In response to this challenge, the country has turned to liquefied natural gas, or LNG, as a transition fuel. Now, LNG is seen as a reliable complement to the variable renewable energy sources, thereby enabling power grid stability and flexibility, because you need that. Otherwise, you'll have all those power outages. So that stability and flexibility while achieving significant carbon reduction, okay, as we move away from coal, right? So we think that it is essential for us as we draft the codes of standards, particularly the codes of standard for the third-party agreements, to examine the outlook for the LNG industry, encompassing global market dynamics, supply sources, pricing trends, and trading patterns. It is also important for us to understand how the global energy industry is positioning itself in light of the race towards a low carbon future and how this will impact the LNG sector. Okay? So so we see that there are opportunities, but there are also risks. But amidst all these risks and opportunities within the LNG business in the Philippines, our objective remains clear. Okay, so we at GPTP, we want to provide opportunities for regulators to keep abreast with the latest developments and be equipped with a comprehensive understanding of the global LNG industry. So we do this with a view to identifying actionable strategies that may enable our country to seize opportunities presented by the global energy transition. So before concluding, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Akihiro Okita, Mr. Neil Theobald, Mr. Taka Ibaya, and to, of course, our friends, partners, Jera and Andrea, for their invaluable support in making this seminar possible. Okay, we deeply appreciate your time, taking your time and flying over here and sharing your expertise. With that, I trust that today's seminar will be informative, it will be interesting and engaging for all of the participants, both on-site and online. So thank you very much and have a productive day.